This video will demonstrate how to use the groups function at Grappling Connection. You see that I've gone to grapplingconnection.com and I've logged in. On the Members drop-down tab, you'll see the word Groups. Click that link and you'll be taken to the Groups page. From here, you can go through and join or view any of the groups that are currently available, or you can create your own group. In order to create your own group, click on the link, and the first thing that you'll have to decide is the access level. You see that it says group type and there's a drop down bar with 3 options. Open to all means that any user can leave or join the group at any time without approval or permission from anyone. Approval to join means that users can see your group and they can request membership, but the owner of the group, in this case you, since you're the one creating the group, you'll have to manually approve the members before they'll have access to all the group functions. And the last one is invite to join, which means that they can't even request membership. The only way they can actually gain access into this group is for you to manually invite them. This is better for small groups that for whatever reason you want to have a private group. We're going to leave this one as open to all. For the group name, we're just going to say sample. And you see that you can upload a logo. We're not going to go through that, but you can upload an image just like you normally would. Click submit, and you'll see that the group was created successfully. Now, at any time when you are in this group, you will have access to the manager's tasks. Going to somebody else's group, you won't have access to that, or when somebody else comes to yours, the same situation applies. Because you're not the manager, you won't have the tasks. But under the manager task list, you see manage pending users. That's if people have to get approval to join. You can edit the group settings, which will take you basically back to the screen we just left. You can email everyone within this group. This is good if you have multiple training partners, for instance at a gym, and you guys train together. It's an easy way to get in touch with everyone at the same time. Transfer to a new owner would be exactly what it infers. You transfer the ownership. And then group activities. Each group has a bulletin board and a message forum. Okay, so you can either view all of the groups by clicking on group members, you can view the bulletin board by clicking on group bulletins, or you can go to the group forum. Now the group forum will open in a new window, and you will have access to a private part of the message forum. If you're confused as to how to use these features, see the other video about how to use the message board, but all the same abilities apply here. It's just for members within that group. You can post each other's messages on a public message board without having to do it on the main forum of the main board. And lastly, you see the invite people function. You can go in, and if you know of anybody else that you would like to have invited, you can type in their name and it will load their information. You can hover over it, click search, and it will bring up all the eligible people who meet that criteria. Click a checkbox and click invite people, and it will send them an invitation to join your group with a link in it, and if they click that link, they will become a member of that group.